I'm Alex Bender. I'm head of global marketing for a cybersecurity company called Mimecast. I'm also a father of 3 great kids and husband to a beautiful wife, Nicole.
Ah, that's so nice. I'm Nicole Bender. I'm a mother and a wife. I do management consulting on the side, and I teach Pilates. We have 3 beautiful kids. Colette is 17, Julia is 15, and John is 12. We have lived here 2 years. We love it. It's our dream home. My favorite room in the home is the kitchen. We really wanted the kitchen to be in the center of the home like it is. We love the 10-foot island. I literally could host a dinner right up here. I am all about counter space. There's 5-foot counters on both sides of the stove, which is great when you're cooking to have all this space. The windows, it was like, do I have upper cabinets or do I have windows to see the sunset? Well, we have windows.
I think we chose wisely. We can see the sunset when we're prepping food, when we're opening wine, when we're talking to our friends, listening to music, the sun shines through. It's just fantastic.
It is always the center of a home. When people come over, everybody goes to the kitchen. I don't think that's ever going to change culturally anywhere. So when we began the remodel after the demo, we had to hone in on what are the materials we have to order first. What are the biggest materials in the home that are going to make the biggest impact? And we knew that the floors and the doors and the windows were those things. So we chose beautiful European white oak, wide plank flooring. And when it came to the windows and doors, it was a little bit harder. What was going to offer the most modern look? What was going to offer the thermal protection?
The highest quality.
The highest quality window that made our home look so dramatic. And we chose Kolbe windows and doors, and we are so happy. I think those are the biggest impact pieces in our home.
Absolutely, and the thing is we were able to have those windows and doors go throughout the property. So main floor, the downstairs, all very similar. Even the wine room has a door that matches the entire house.
Kolbe windows and doors enhance the design of this home because in the Northeast, each season is so beautiful. And to have these many windows and the size of them, to be able to see everything this home is about in all 4 seasons, I mean, it's a magical place to live because of the windows.
Yeah, and we love to entertain, and when we're having a dinner party and we're able to open the folding doors, our guests are just blown away because the outside is all of a sudden inside.
We had always envisioned, bringing the outdoors in. We loved those homes and magazines where like a wall opened up. And there's not a lot of companies that do those. And we were so excited when we found out Kolbe had a 10-foot slider that opened. It's just so fun. People don't realize it opens when they come over for dinner parties, and we'll all of a sudden open it and everybody's reaction's like, oh, no way.
Yeah, we bring the dining outside immediately.
The views are why we bought this home, and to be able to capture that, it's pretty magical.